This week, I've got a fascinating insight from research undertaken in 2018 that I think is going to help you relax and just be yourself when you first enter a room of people at the next business networking event you attend. My name is Jonathan Bradshaw, and welcome to this week's Metology Minute. Yes, a very uplifting Metology Minute this week. Research undertaken, as I said, in 2018 by psychologists collaborating both in the UK and the US. Essentially, their paper looked into how people's expectations of social interaction linked to the actual experience. And to summarise their paper, you, me, people generally are too pessimistic about how people are likely to react towards them. The point here is their research suggested that people like us far more than we realise, and people are too worried about thinking about themselves and worrying about their own behaviour to actually pick up the positive feedback that other people give us. So next time you're entering a business networking event, at your conference or exhibition, people probably are interacting with you and liking you a lot more than you believe, according to this research anyway. Remember, if you organise global business meetings or events, or indeed work for a venue that hosts them, face-to-face social interaction powers your event. My team and psychologists and I, we equip your attendees with the skills to connect, interact and communicate at your event, making it incredibly successful. Head over to metology.com to learn more about what we can offer you. And I'll be back in a week's time with some more Metology, the fascinating behavioural science powering world-class social skills. See you in a week's time. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.